Ever wondered how a crypto token, seemingly born out of nowhere, can suddenly have a market cap of millions of dollars? It's a question that baffles many, but today we're pulling back the curtain. We'll show you exactly how crypto projects legally print money out of thin air. No, it's not magic. It's a carefully engineered process called tokenomics. Let's invent a project. We'll call it ApeCoin 2.0. The first step is creating the token. We decide to create 1 billion ApeCoin 2.0 tokens. The cost to create these on a blockchain like Ethereum or Solana? Almost nothing. A few dollars in fees, and boom, we have 1 billion digital assets. Right now their value is zero, zilch, nada. Here's where the money printing begins. We need to give these tokens a price. So we create a liquidity pool on a decentralized exchange like Uniswap. We take a small portion of our tokens, say 10 million ApeCoin 2.0, and pair them with a real asset like $1,000 of Ethereum. By doing this, we've set the initial price. If 10 million tokens are paired with $1,000, then each token is now worth a tiny fraction of a cent. Still not very impressive, right? But we now have a tradable market and an official price. Now, we unleash the hype machine. The team holds the other 90 million tokens. We announce a revolutionary roadmap, promising to build the next big thing in Web3 gaming or AI. We get influencers on board, run a massive marketing campaign, and create a strong community on social media. People get excited. They see the potential. They feel the FOMO, the fear of missing out. As hype builds, people start buying ApeCoin 2.0 from the liquidity pool. They put in their own Ethereum to get our tokens. Basic supply and demand kicks in. With a limited supply of tokens available for sale and increasing demand, the price starts to climb. That tiny fraction of a cent becomes 1 cent, then 5 cents, then 50 cents. Let's do the math. If the price hits just $1, our project's total market cap, the price per token multiplied by the total supply of 1 billion tokens, is now a staggering $1 billion. And remember, the team is still holding hundreds of millions of those tokens. Their personal holdings, which cost nothing to create, are now worth hundreds of millions of dollars on paper. This is how value is created from an idea and some clever marketing. But here's the critical part, the vesting schedule. A responsible project locks up the team's and investors' tokens. They can only sell them gradually over several years. This prevents them from dumping all their tokens on the market at once, which would cause the price to crash instantly. However, as these tokens are unlocked month by month, the team can start selling them. This is called taking profits, and it introduces new supply into the market, putting downward pressure on the price. This creates a cycle. Hype drives the price up, early buyers feel like geniuses, and the team's paper wealth explodes. But eventually the hype fades, the team and early investors start to sell their unlocked tokens, and the buying pressure can't keep up. The price begins to fall. New buyers who came in at the top are now holding bags of tokens worth much less than what they paid. The project might deliver on its promises, or it might fade away. But the initial money printing phase is complete. So the next time you see a new token rocketing in price, remember ApeCoin 2.0. It's not just technology. It's a masterclass in marketing, psychology, and financial engineering. Always do your own research, understand the tokenomics, and be aware of the vesting schedules. In crypto, knowledge is your best protection. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of crypto. See you in the next one.